Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to find all the real solution, real underline or solution of the equation below. A to the power 5 plus a to the power 4 plus a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let's see how we are going to solve this. Let's look at the first 3 terms. Then last 3 terms. Okay, for the first 3 terms, a cube is common. Now we can write here a squared plus a plus 1 plus, now here 1 is common, so we can have 1 times a squared plus a plus 1. That's factorizing, is equal to 0. So we can do refactorization. We have a squared plus a plus 1 times a cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we know from algebraic identities, x cubed plus 1 can be factorized as x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. In the same way, a cubed plus 1 the same as a plus 1 times a squared minus a plus 1. So the whole equation becomes, this implies that a squared plus 1 or plus a plus 1 times a plus 1 times a squared minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if we have something like this, this implies that a squared plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, or a plus 1 is equal to 0, or a squared minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. This is linear, this is quadratic. So let's solve this one. For a squared plus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now before we solve, let's find the discriminant if you get a real solution before we continue. Okay, discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Yes. Now a is the coefficient of the quadratic, the variable square. So from this, your a is 1, b is 1, then c is 1. The standard quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when you compare this one to this, then you realize that a is 1. So our discriminant becomes 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. And this is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. Now, it's less than 0. So there is no real solution for this quadratic equation. Okay, now let's look at for a squared minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. If we compare it with standard quadratic equation, or a is 1, or b is minus 1, and then c is 1. So we find the discriminant. The discriminant will be b is minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. So this is positive 1 minus 4, and it's the same as minus 3. So this is less than 0. So if the discriminant is less than 0, then we are not going to have a real root. So there is no real root. So it's left with only x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we can find x here. So x is equal to minus 1. So that is the solution to this question. The rest will not give us the real solution. Okay. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. And you can also turn on your notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.